Hey everyone, it's Tara here, and I am back scrapbooking. So I started the scrapbook quite a while ago, and I'm still not finished. I kind of took a break from it, and I'm getting towards the end. I still have a lot of pictures that I need to put down, but it's almost done. So this spread is the first full day that we were in Quebec City, and the photos here were taken at night, so they're not that great, but I know what they're about, and the one on the bottom right there that's pretty dark, you can actually see a little bit better in person, just doesn't really show up that well on camera. And I'm just doing a really quick, simple spread here, kind of getting back into the scrapbooking groove. I got really into it when I was doing it consistently, and then I just kind of fell off the wagon there. So I'm just doing some basic backgrounds, and then adding just a few little details with some washi tape and some scrapbooking paper that has a scalloped kind of wavy edge. And yeah, just laying the photos down and gluing that down. I originally started off using my glue stick, and I was like, what are you doing, Tara? Glue sticks? No, not today, because they are a hassle and a half to use. So I'm just laying down my little journaling paper that I can write on if I want to, and this will probably just end up being quick, like dates and where we were, since they're two selfies, and then some pictures of the area that we were in. We went to the waterfall, which I can't remember the name of it right now, but it was nighttime, and I was spooked because I don't like water. I tried walking over the waterfall, but I only got like not even halfway across the bridge before I had to turn back. It was kind of pathetic. But there's like a little walking path that you can walk around, and we just kind of walked around and looked at everything, and there's like a little tourist center. We went in that for a little bit. So yeah, I'm just putting down some elements. I actually put down the wrong picture here. Oopsies. And then I remembered I wanted the other picture there, so I just took it off. Thankfully, the picture I accidentally put down came off pretty easily and didn't get messed up or anything, and I could reuse the Zots that I already put on it. And I'm just putting that picture down, which was a picture of some icicles, and that were just kind of hanging out, which is cool because I live in the desert and I don't see icicles ever. I mean, I have seen them before, but it's not really like a common theme in my life to see icicles, so I always take pictures of them, you know. I'm just kind of finishing up the last two squares here with, again, washi tape and paper and photos. The photo that I just put down was actually, it's really dark and probably not even like necessary to use, but it's fine. I know what it is, and it's not even a thing. This is for me, right? It's not for you guys. And that's the last little spread there. So this is how they turned out. I always try to make them kind of really similar because they're going to be on the page together, so I don't want them to be too crazy different. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye.